Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Okay, if you just clicked on this video, please do me well to give this video a huge and a massive thumbs up. Okay, today's video is about fondant making. Is my student first fondant practical. Okay, I want you guys to rate her on the comment section, encourage her on the comment section, drop something for her on the comment section just to encourage her. Okay, this is her first time of making fondant. Okay, and you know this is Harmattan season. If you're looking for a good fondant recipe to use this season, this recipe is the best for you. Okay, you can check on your screen or maybe in the description box for the measurement and for all the ingredients she used in making this fondant. Okay, I might not be doing a long voiceover on this video because I was not the one that made the video. I just recorded her, so I just decided to record her to save this video for her for future purpose. Okay, if you are struggling with your fondant recipe, this fondant recipe is a must try because this is Harmattan period, and you know most bakers normally struggle with their fondant recipes. Okay, if you're looking for the best fondant recipe to use this season, this particular recipe is a good recipe for you. Okay, please do not forget to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't run away with my thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up the video. When you thumbs up the video, other people will be able to see the video. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please, this is a very good opportunity for you to subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't need to pay before you subscribe to the channel. Subscription is totally free. You can subscribe and learn a lot of things from this video. Okay, this is her first time of making fondant. Okay, she's just 4 months old with me. She's just 4 months old. Okay, this is her first fondant making, first ever. You won't even believe it. Okay, you would think that she has been doing it all this while, but she amused me, she surprised me. Okay, please encourage her by commenting on the comment section and subscribe, thumbs up the video. Okay, if she can do this particular fondant, I believe you that is watching me, you that is watching this video right now, and you are still struggling with fondant recipe or fondant making, I believe you can do it. Just follow the step-by-step process. You can do it, okay? You need to step up your fondant game, okay, so that you will be able to deliver good looking and amazing fondant cakes for your clients, okay? Good fondant determines how your decoration will be. If you don't have a good fondant recipe, you will end up with bad decoration. Maybe your fondant is tearing up. But if you make use of this fondant recipe, you will not have issues with your fondant. This fondant recipe will help you to achieve that sharp edge you have been looking for, okay? Please support this video by thumbs up. If you can share this video, help me share this video, and believe you too can do this, okay? You can do it. I think we have come to the end of this section. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.